I'm Cramer. Welcome to Mad Money. Welcome to Cramerica. Other people want to make friends. I'm just trying to make you some money. My job is not just to entertain, it's but to educate, it's to teach, it's to put it in context. Call me, 1-800-743-CNBC, or tweet me at Jim Cramer. Between the new antiviral drug from Pfizer, the one that cuts COVID hospitalizations and deaths by 89%, and the strong jobs number that cut the unemployment rate to 4.6%, with growth in pretty much every part of the private sector, especially leisure and hospitality, it is no wonder that the averages rallied today. Dow going up 204 points. S&P climbed 0.37, and the Nasdaq advanced 0.20%. Although you could have argued we should have rallied even more, and importantly, we were up much higher earlier in the day. Now, the great reopening thesis, which had faltered due to the Delta variant, has now made a comeback with a vengeance, thanks to the federal government pressuring people to get vaccinated. Anything related to going out and having fun is making a fortune. Witness the fantastic quarter from Airbnb or Delta Airlines. Planes are rapidly starting to fill up. So which companies can play catch up if Dr. Scott Gottlieb, our icon, is right that we're finally approaching the end of the pandemic? And when he said it, I just said, listen to this man. Fortunately, he repeated it. Yeah, within sight. He's true north. Can we find, for instance, the next NVIDIA, a terrific stock we own for the Charitable Trust that you can learn about by joining the club, and one that we continue to love? Well, you know what we have to do? Let's go to the that's what we call it, the telestrator. Let's go to the telestrator for the game plan for next week. On Monday, we start with a stock that's been under tremendous pressure for weeks on end. PayPal. We're going to discuss the chart later in the day, but will it be crushed by a weak number like Square today? It doesn't look good given PayPal's ill-advised pursuit of Pinterest. Is that really because they're slowing down? I mean, a light and fun hobby site that seems like a bizarre partner for a financial services company. I mentioned NVIDIA just now, but what you need to know is that the Charitable Trust also owns PayPal, and that's been a disaster. We bought higher and we bought here, yet it's been a house of pain. So will it blow up even further? I don't know. I think it's kind of blown up already. But when I see a stock acting like this right before earnings, I have to be more circumspect. It's the way I am. Dan Schulman, the CEO, already warned us this would be a tough quarter because of PayPal's final separation from eBay. But it's already down more than 80 points, which to me seems overdone. But the way it acted today was horrendous. How about something that's overdone on the upside? And that's what many professional money managers think of AMC Entertainment, which reports Monday night. You know, I'm constantly asked if this movie theater chain is really worth 41. Do you really think it's worth that? And that's where it's currently trading. Given that it sits on a mountain of debt, you really can't believe it's at 41. I come back and say you can't value AMC like money managers would because the shareholder base is full of individual investors who love the darn thing. They love the popcorn, for heaven's sake. 41 can be justified. I bet CEO Adam Aron will do a great job on his call, and the individual investors will buy even more. So the stock will hang in because he knows how to give his shareholder base what it wants. He represents a new form of capitalism, frankly. Now, AMD, long a favorite, has an event on Monday where it will debut some of its latest technology for the data center, and I expect CEO Lisa Su to totally rock the joint. I think AMD is well on its way to eclipsing Intel in market capitalization. I can't believe I just said that. How the mighty have fallen.